Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable Storage Sense to delete temporary files in Windows 10. Click Start, Settings. Click System. Click Storage. Turn on Storage Sense. Click Change how we free up space automatically. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.